I will teach a super efficient language learning, grammar, and vocabulary learning technique. And at the end of the lesson, you will start talking in Italian if you follow me. I am not a fan of studying grammar. It doesn't mean I don't study or I don't teach grammar. I understand we have to feed our neocortex 2, which is the most rational brain among the three brains, reptilian, limbic, and neocortex. The neocortex is the newest one, the modern one, the logical one. The neocortex wants logical explanations. However, it also gets bored. It gets bored fast if it doesn't get results. By memorizing grammar rules, the poor neocortex won't get any results within a reasonable time. But I have a shortcut for you. You will learn how to understand and speak in Italian from the very beginning throughout funny and fascinating mini stories, and you will learn a very cool, effective technique that will help you to learn Italian fast. Actually, if you adopt this method, it doesn't matter if you are good at languages or not. There are no more excuses. I'm going to teach you an effective learning trick. I'm going to ask you questions. Why? Because questions make us think. Questions deserve answers instinctively, and our brain knows it. How do we structure these questions? In a simple way. Simple questions are good because they keep our motivation up. We like having positive feedback. If we answer a question correctly, we get positive feedback. We learn the grammar rules and words automatically if we answer a yes-no question or a simple question. We practically repeat the same words of the question with little corrections. And there is even more. What do you think the effect of a yes-no question or a simple question on your brain is? Your neocortex will be happy because it's a challenge that it has to think. And your limbic brain will be happy because the satisfaction of the neocortex caused an emotion. Your reptile brain will be happy because happiness is one of the most ancient emotions. So let's get started. I will read the mini story for you first. Then we will read it together. Then we will try to understand the text, and then I will ask you questions. I will leave the link to the whole script, explanation, and exercises down below in the description box, so you can practice the lesson and master the important grammar and words whenever you want. Chloe Dayton è la protagonista del libro Choose Your Own Italian Adventures. Chloe è americana, vive a New York, ha 28 anni, ha un cane. Il nome di suo cane è Lily. Chloe arriva in Italia il 25 maggio. Lei è in Italia per lavoro. Chloe è una responsabile del controllo qualità. Lavora in Phoenix Media. La sua missione è controllare la compagnia italiana. Parla poco italiano. Parla in inglese con le persone. I colleghi italiani non sono disposti a parlare in inglese. La comunicazione è impossibile con i colleghi italiani. Per questo la storia di Chloe è ricca di difficoltà, gioia e misteri. Okay, guys, so what did you understand? Not much? Nothing? Don't worry, we will read the text together. Let me share my screen with you. L'avventura incredibile di Chloe in Italia. First part. Chloe parla italiano. So I think when we read a text in a foreign language, we can understand it better, right? Especially if we have some words in common with that foreign language. Let's see the text together. I have already highlighted many words that you can recognize because they are similar to English, and there are really many words in Italian that are very similar to English. So if you pay attention, you can recognize them, you can learn them easier. For example, I'm sure you know what protagonista means, what americana means, right? Nome, arriva, responsabile, controllo qualità, missione, controllare, compagnia italiana, inglese, persone, colleghi italiani, disposti, comunicazione, impossibile, storia, ricca, difficoltà, gioia, misteri. I'm sure you already got these words, right? Avventura, adventure, incredibile, incredible. I don't want to read the whole list of the words because you can find this exercise in on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box. So actually, I just want to make sure that you got this word, because maybe it can be a little bit hard to understand. So disposti means willing to do something, but if you know the word, the English word disposed, it can help you to memorize this disposti word in Italian, because if you create links between information that you already know, you can learn and memorize everything better and easier. Okay, now I will show you only the English translation just to make sure that you understand everything. Okay, so here you can find the Italian text and also the English text and the English translation. Let's go through the text very quickly just to make sure that you understand everything. Okay, so let's get started. Chloe Dayton è la protagonista del libro, so she is the protagonist of the book. Libro, book. Choose your own Italian adventures. Chloe è americana. I think it's quite clear that she is American. Vive a New York. She lives in New York. Ha 28 anni. She's 28 years old. Ha un cane. She has a dog. Il nome del suo cane è Lily. Her dog's name is Lily. So actually, literally would be the name of her dog is. Chloe arriva in Italia il 25 maggio. Chloe arrives in Italy on May 25th. Lei è in Italia per lavoro. She is in Italy for work. Chloe è una responsabile del controllo qualità. Chloe is a quality control manager. Lavora in Phoenix Media. She works in Phoenix Media. La sua missione è controllare la compagnia italiana. Her mission is to control the Italian company. Parla poco italiano. She speaks little Italian. Parla in inglese con le persone. She speaks English to people. I colleghi italiani non sono disposti a parlare in inglese. Italian colleagues are unwilling to speak in English. La comunicazione è impossibile con i colleghi italiani. Communication is impossible with Italian colleagues. Per questo la storia di Chloe è ricca di difficoltà, gioia e misteri. This is why Chloe's story is full of difficulties, joy, and mysteries. The funny part is coming, and I will ask you questions, very easy and very simple questions. You can find all the explanations, all the questions, and the whole story on my blog. Find the link in the description box. While I am asking questions, you can read the text, and you can also pause the video to answer. Okay, so let's get started. Chi è la protagonista del libro? Choose your own Italian adventures. Chloe, right? La protagonista del libro è Chloe Dayton. Di dove è Chloe? Lei è americana. Chloe vive in Canada? No, non vive in Canada. Chloe vive a New York? Sì, vive a New York. Dove vive Chloe? Chloe vive a New York. Ha 10 anni? No, non ha 10 anni. Quanti anni ha? Ha 28 anni. Ha un animale? Sì, ha un cane. Qual è il nome del suo cane? Il nome del suo cane è Lily. Quando arriva Chloe in Italia? Chloe arriva il 25 maggio. Dove arriva Chloe il 25 maggio? Chloe arriva in Italia. Lei è in Italia per lavoro? Sì, lei è in Italia per lavoro. Che lavoro fa? Chloe è una responsabile del controllo qualità. Dove lavora? Lavora in Phoenix Media. Qual è la sua missione? La sua missione è controllare la compagnia italiana. Parla bene italiano? Non parla bene, parla poco italiano. In che lingua parla con le persone? Parla in inglese con le persone. I colleghi italiani sono disposti a parlare in inglese? No. I colleghi italiani non sono disposti a parlare in inglese. È possibile comunicare con i colleghi? No, non è possibile comunicare con i colleghi. Come è la comunicazione con i colleghi? La comunicazione è impossibile con i colleghi italiani. Com'è la storia di Chloe? La storia di Chloe è ricca di difficoltà, gioia e misteri. Okay, that was all. And now I'm going to share my screen again and let me show you something. Very simple, but very cool, efficient technique. So here you can find the questions, the main questions, the most important questions that I asked to you. And if you really want to master your skills, your speaking skills especially, and learn automatically the grammar and the vocabulary, you can practice it in this way. Tell the story based on the questions. You don't have to read the questions aloud. Just try to answer them. For example, I will show you what I mean. La protagonista del libro Choose Your Own Italian Adventures è Chloe. Chloe è americana. Chloe vive a New York. Chloe ha 28 anni. Ha un cane. Etc., etc. I think you got the point. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I will make more lessons to teach you Italian very fast, and I will show you many cool learning techniques. The only thing I ask you to do is subscribe to my channel so you can make sure you can watch all the Italian lessons.